Hi, I'm Peter Valcarcel. Welcome to the show this week. Today we're going to do some framing. I'm at the Jojer framing shop in Hell's Kitchen in New York, and we're going to visit Juan Rodriguez, who's going to help us do a little framing. Let's go inside. Hey Juan, how are you?
Well, how are you, Peter? How you doing?
I'm fine. I have this piece of this sketch that I have that I want to frame, and I want some just some help with this.
Great.
What can you suggest?
Well, first of all, it's charcoal, and we will normally here at Jojer, we treat everything archivally, so that way it will last for your next generation.
That's great. That's
be able to pass it on.
Good. So this first choice is what?
This first choice is to give you the gallery feel.
Okay, great.
Most galleries like their framing black and white. So here you have a very contemporary black with very bright white.
Very nice. I like the contrast between the white and the cream. It makes the piece a lot more sharp.
Right.
And this one is a much more traditional.
Well, no, this one is actually, if you want to be a little more fun and try to
Okay.
bring something out of the piece, you want to try to get like one of the colors in there and make it pop. This way, you know, it's more personal. It's for you. You don't have to worry about what the galleries are looking for. This is something that's actually going to go in your home to your taste.
Right. What I like is that this mat board, the color of the mat board, is bringing out some of this detail on the charcoal. Right.
And the mat board actually has a black core, so it also brings up some of the black with very, very thin black line on the inside.
Great.
And this is a very industrial looking frame, very masculine. The piece itself is very masculine.
Okay. Well, this was very helpful for you. It was certainly very helpful for me. This place has over 3,000 choices when it comes to frames and a huge amount of mats when it comes to colors. So the combinations are endless. I want to thank Juan Rodriguez from Jojer Framing Shop in Hell's Kitchen, and I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to follow us on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook, and I'll see you next week. Bye.